The real challenge of teaching is how you are capable of dealing with many personalities.
May mga times ba na kunyari yung problema nila sa bahay talagang nadadala nila sa behavior nila?
Oo, isa yan sa yan yung sinasabi ko sa'yo na if you are a teacher, you don't just discuss lessons from the book. You also have to listen in their stories but don't go too personal. Alam mo, iyan talaga isa sa mahirap sa pagiging teacher. Kasi kung ang estudyante mo 40, you're dealing up with 40 personalities. Yan yung isa sa hindi alam ng karamihan. Kasi lagi lang nila sinasabi, magtuturo ka lang naman. No, hindi. Sa field po ng pagtuturo, for me it was really easy for me to teach the subject or the topic because I already studied it before. And before I go to my class, I also took readings para mas makontextualize ko yung lesson, 'di ba? Para maituro ko na maayos. But that is not the real challenge of teaching. The real challenge of teaching is how you are capable of dealing with many personalities. Para siyang isang malaking pamilya sa loob ng kwarto. Kaya napaka-challenging niyan. Hindi ganoon siya talaga kadali. Kaya akala nung iba sabi magtuturo ka lang. Hindi lang yun ang pagiging teacher eh.